We're about an hour and a half into the show this morning, and I've got to say the atmosphere on the floor is absolutely electric. There was a massive queue outside at 10 o'clock for the official opening, and people pouring through the doors.
You know, we truly are a global industry, and regardless of whether you're a supplier or a distributor or a shop owner, you know, it is a global industry.
Our ability to innovate in the aftermarket is quite special.
This is where you can connect with other people in the industry that you might otherwise never meet.
The show up and the networking is just awesome.
One of the things we're doing, and we always do with these shows, we take the opportunity to bring young school leavers in, we bring apprentices in. There's so many opportunities, and I think we need to shift the dial a bit on the outdated preconceptions about what the automotive industry is all about.